We're going to show you exactly how you can create your very own end screen template, just like this. Now if you want to learn how to create an end screen template just like this, keep watching this video to the end and I'll show you exactly how you can do this step by step. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I've got a bonus for you where you can download this exact template to use on your YouTube channel. This is going to save you some valuable time and get you kick-started with a nice end screen. For now, let's get right into how you can create your own template. Open up Adobe After Effects and we're going to create a new composition. Let's call this end screen template. So we're going to name it DM with Carl end screen template. And then the dimensions need to be 1920 by 1080, which is your standard for a YouTube video. And we're going to head down and change the duration from 30 seconds down to 20 seconds. This is the standard time that we have for our end screen on YouTube. Add in our background. We're going to head over to the left and select New and New Solid. We're going to put in a black background. So we'll call that black background, or the color is black, and select OK. We're going to add in a screenshot of the shape of a normal YouTube end screen just to make sure that we get the dimensions right for our shapes. Let's resize the screenshot so that it's full screen on our template. We'll take the opacity down a bit. We don't need to have it solid right now. And then select off the layers and let's add a new shape layer, which is going to be our first video outline. So we're going to choose black as the background of the shape, and let's zoom in and move over to the outline of our bottom right video. So we're going to create our new shape layer over where this second video or our bottom right hand video is. Drag that shape layer over so that it fits perfectly on that video size. Once we have our new shape layer, let's rename the shape layer to Video 2. Then we're going to right click on our Video 2 shape layer and go Layer Styles and add an outer glow. Let's select the drop down arrow for the outer glow and we're going to change the default color to white, and let's increase the size of the outer glow until we're happy with this size. We're going to make this size 35 for our outer shadow. Once you're happy with your size, scroll up and click down on blending options and advanced blending, and we're going to change the full opacity right down so that the fill or the center of our shape is going to be completely transparent. Now our first shape is completed, so let's zoom out to fit the frame. And once we've zoomed out, we're going to select our Video 2 layer and hit Command D or Control D to duplicate it, and we're going to rename the new layer Video 1. So we're going to have Video 1 and Video 2. Select the selector arrow and we're going to grab the Video 1 and drag it up to sit over the top right hand video shape. Once you're happy with this position, let's duplicate Video 1 layer and we're going to move it over to the left, and this shape layer is going to be slightly larger than the other two shape layers because this is going to be our main video. So let's rename it Main Video, and then we're going to select the drop down arrow and we're going to head down to Transform, and we're going to increase the scale of this video. So the reason why we do it this way is we want to make sure we keep the form factor of the video in the right dimensions, and we're just going to increase the scale so that our main video is slightly bigger as we're ending off our last 20 seconds and putting in our call to actions for our viewers to subscribe to our channel and to watch the next video. Now you can fiddle with the size of this video until you're completely happy with the size and where it is sitting. Now we're going to import our 3 social media icons. So we're going to import Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can add in any social media icons that you would like to, but for now we're just going to stick with these three. So let's grab these social media icons and drop them in. They are rather large, so we're going to have to resize all three of these. I'm going to resize these quickly and I'll be back with you in a sec. Now that we've got our icons all sorted out, we're going to add our handle for each social media account. So we're going to select the text tool and type in your handle. Ours is @DM with Carl, and it's the same on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So we're going to take this text box and we're just going to duplicate that. So we're going to select it and Command D to duplicate it twice and reposition them in front of each social media icon. The thing we're going to do with the social media handles and icons is we're going to select all of them, and then we're going to right click on the selection and go to pre-compose, and we're going to change this pre-composition to social, and all it's going to do is group them all together. So if you need to move them, you can move all three social media icons and handles at the same time. Now let's add some text above our videos that we want our viewers to click on and watch. So select that text tool, and above the top right hand video we're going to put some text in, and we're going to put in watch more, and we're going to capitalize all of it. Resize this text to as big as you would like it to be so that it fits nicely over the top of our two videos on the right hand side. These call to actions are really important to have to make sure that your viewers do watch another one of your videos, and you end up increasing your average watch time on YouTube so that that YouTube algorithm starts being kind and friendly to you. Now let's duplicate this text because we want to put a subscribe call to action on the bottom left under our YouTube icon. So to duplicate that text, remember it's Command D on your Mac or Control D on Windows. We're going to have our call to action as subscribe, and make sure we're going to do all capitals to keep it the same as our watch more. And you can change the size of this text and rearrange it to fit under where your YouTube channel icon is going to appear on your end screen. Now that we have everything positioned correctly, we can remove that screenshot that we had originally placed just to get all the videos and the social media icons in the right place. What we're going to add in here is a few stars scrolling through. So go to Effects and Presets and type in star, and we want CC star burst, and drop it over the background there, and you'll see the effects on the left hand side. You can adjust these effects to have the look and feel that you want with the movement of the stars. We're going to increase the scatter a bit so there are a few less stars, and slow down the speed slightly. This will give us the desired effect that we're looking for. Once we're happy with everything, go and export your video as an MP4 and save it onto your computer, and then we're going to import it into our Premiere Pro video that we're editing for YouTube. You can twiddle your thumbs while you're waiting for it to export. Once it is finished exporting, head into Premiere Pro, import your template into your project, and drop it on the end of your edit. Now this might take a bit of fiddling to get right, but once you have all the tracks in the right place, we just need to make sure that we get the resizing of our video from full screen down to the size of our shape in the top left hand corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to scale down this clip from 100% into the correct size to fit into our shape layer on our end screen. So let's put a few keyframes at the start and then scroll to 2 or 3 seconds into the clip, and let's scale it down and move it so that we can fit it into the top left hand rectangle shape. So we're going to have to go a bit smaller, and this will be a bit fiddly until you get it right, but once you've got it worked out, you will know the correct dimension so that you can fit it perfectly into the top left of our end screen template. Then you can copy these scale attributes if you have cut your frames like I have 2 extra video clips at the end. So we're going to copy the scale attributes of these frames onto the last 2 video clips at the end. Once you have all of the scale attributes right, your end screen is locked and loaded and ready to go live on YouTube. So to have a look at our template, we've put it on the end of this video. So watch till the end so you can have a look at what the finished product of our end screen is going to look like. And let us know what you think of this end screen template in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We create new videos every single day teaching you how to create your own online business with video. If you want to get a copy of this template, I've left a link down in the description below. You can click on that link and go download a copy of the template for yourself to use on your own YouTube channel. Leave us a comment below on what you think the best part of this tutorial was and how it's going to help your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. No, really. Click on that video. It's a good one. Trust me. We're still here. There's a link. You can click on it. This one or that one. Up to you. Enjoy it.